Did you know there was once a king so sick that God told him he would die? But then something incredible happened that made time itself go backward. King Hezekiah lay dying in his palace. The prophet Isaiah came with terrible news from God. "Set your house in order, for you shall die and not live." But Hezekiah turned his face to the wall and wept bitterly. He prayed with all his heart, reminding God how he had served faithfully all his days. Before Isaiah even left the palace, God spoke again. He had heard Hezekiah's tears. The king would live 15 more years. Hezekiah could hardly believe it. He asked for a sign to prove this amazing promise was real. God offered him a choice. Should the shadow on the sundial move forward 10 steps or backward 10 steps? Hezekiah chose backward because that seemed impossible. And then it happened. The shadow on the sundial moved backward 10 degrees. Time itself reversed as proof that the God who controls the sun and stars could certainly heal one faithful king. Sometimes our deepest prayers move the very heavens.